Hello everyone, and thanks for being with us today. Today we're going to do Microsoft PowerPoint. We're going to show you how to create a slideshow and how to make edits to that slideshow as well. Our group members consist of myself, Omari Richards,
Adrian Julian.
Manuel James.
And Bryant Weaver.
When using Microsoft PowerPoint, there are various templates that are available for you to use, whether you're doing a formal presentation or an informal presentation. Microsoft PowerPoint has some pre-uploaded templates for you to use. For the PowerPoint that we're doing today, it's going to be done for a professional environment. So we're going to find one that's not too loud and doesn't take away too much from the content of the presentation. So we're going to scroll up and we're going to select Horizon. So we'll be using Horizon today.
Now I'm going to show you how to use some of the various transitions. First you click on transitions, and as you can see there are many of them. Cut, fade, push, just to name a few. And if you push forward, there are many more. For the purposes of this PowerPoint today, we're going to go ahead and use wipe, no split. As you can see, that's what split looks like on a blank document. Now we're going to add a title. As you can see, our title for this is professionalism. As you can see, I've misspelled it using two F's. There's a quick solution for that. You highlight it, right click, and then select the correct version of the word that you are looking for, professionalism. Next, we're going to look at more transitions. Let's see which one we're going to do now. We click on it and we're going to show split again. And next we're going to show shape. As you can see, that's what that one does. We're going to select another one, see what push does. Next, we're going to look at how to add more slides to the PowerPoint presentation. First, you click home. Then you can click on new slide. But first we're going to look at legend. The legend allows you to change the layout of the different slides within your PowerPoint presentation. We have title slide, title, and content. But for today's purposes, for the first slide, we're going to use title slide. So we reselect it, let it go. You can add a picture to the slide through browser information or picture from file. You can also add a shape to the PowerPoint presentation. So now we go back to legend and we're going to select title and content again. Then we can look at the other one and you can add sections so that you can spread your PowerPoint accordingly and organize it better. Now we add a new slide, and for the next slide we're going to do title and content. Once that is in, we're going to add us a title. And I think today we're going to do what is professionalism. Next, we're going to add some transitions to that to give it a little more flash and upgrade it a little bit. So we go through the transitions as we looked at before. We're going to look at clock, checkerboard. Let's see, which one are we going to do? Honeycomb. As you can see, that's what the honeycomb effect looks like on the entire slide. Next, we're going to add animations to individual aspects of the slide. So first, we highlight what is professionalism. Then we select animations. Where is it? There it is, right next to transitions. You click animations, and you have a starting animation. There are many choices. You have appear, blinds, checkerboard. Let's look at this one. Appear, checkerboard. Now I'm going to show you how to add another transition to an existing set of transitions. So we go to emphasis effects and we're looking through them. There are many of them. We're going to select that one and it's going to pulse while on screen. As you can see, it gave that a number 2 to show that it's a second effect active on that text. Now we're going to put a last effect as it leaves the screen, and that's the one we pick. As you can see, they're numbered in order, 1, 2, 3. You can also move it around anywhere on the screen. Once you place your transition on text, you can arrange them in any way you want by clicking the reorder button. As you can see the 3 slides, as well as what type they are by the color star next to each title. So we're going to click reorder again, and we're going to click on one of them to see what we can do. As you see, there are effect options, timing, test animations. We're going to click on this one again, and we're going to click down. We can move the order that they're in. You can switch them. Now we're going to look at effect options. You can make it go across the screen or down the screen. You can add colors, and you can even add sounds to it. Just click on it again, and you can add sounds to it. Now we're going to close this, and next I'm going to show you how to do a full slideshow view so you can see what your effects look like in the full presentation. So you click on slideshow, and you can either start it from current slide, which will start at that slide right there, or you can start from the start. This is the current slide view. Opening it up, that is the honeycomb effect, as it will be seen when you show the presentation. What is professionalism? Pulse. Next, I'm going to show you how to do from the start. So you click on from the start, and you look at the PowerPoint as a whole. Professionalism. That's the honeycomb effect as it transitions into the next slide. Professionalism again, and all the effects that we had previously mentioned before. And that is the slideshow. This has been an introduction on professional PowerPoint. I would like to thank you for viewing it, and I hope that you will look at the rest of our series. Thank you. Have a great evening.